Hello everyone, I'm William Smith with eRealty Advisors. My phone number is 914-420-1974. That's 914-420-1974. This is Rolling Hills. Address is 2504 Tanager Road, Bloom Grove, New York. GPS, it might say Monroe. But it's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. And just check the description below for a link to the listing. This unit is, as you can see, right next to the bathroom, or swimming pool, not the bathroom, I'm sorry. Here's the main bathroom. And here is the master bedroom. Also right next to the swimming pool. This has its own bathroom. It's a half bath. Alright, if you have any questions, my name is William Smith with eRealty Advisors. Give me a call at 914-420-1974. Again, that's 914-420-1974. Also, if you look out the window here in the living room, there's baseball fields over there, I believe. There was. Pretty sure there still is. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a great day.